technology and criminal defense. They are so intertwined today, you can't have one without the other. It used to be that you would show up and just using a violent crime scene, for instance, you would show up and you would look down, you'd see where all the evidence is, maybe take some witness statements, and that was the case. And that no longer is the way it is today. I teach technology in the law at the law school. I lecture frequently about this around the country. So do the other lawyers in my law firm. We write on this, and therefore lawyers send us kind of the complex cases or those that involve technology often. One of the things that I tell people all the time is that today, when you are confronted with representing an individual in any sort of criminal matter, you not only have to look at what's there, what's apparent to the eye, but look at the evidence where there once was none. And so that's the term that I commonly use. We have to look, and we have to kind of walk the path of where this allegation is, the claim that was made, and look around and see where possible evidence could be. Whether or not it's caught by digital surveillance, whether or not it's passing by an ATM machine and that digital video captured something, GPS, or, as we know, people today are holding computers in their hands by way of smartphones and so forth. Calls in, calls out, digital video, digital still, iPads, anything of that sort today. So you really need to understand where the evidence could be. You really need to understand how to get to that evidence, how to convince a court to allow you to inspect that evidence, and who can evaluate it. Understanding what the role of the computer forensic examiner is, being able to utilize their data and their findings. So I submit to you that this was something that we decided in the law firm well over a decade ago when we saw the technology was the way of the future, obviously, but also the way to give our clients the 100% that they deserved. We knew that we had to dedicate all of our attention to that and understand it, and not just a mere understanding, but be at the cutting edge of it. I'm confident that we are. And so I invite you to call us. We'd be more than happy to speak with you, evaluate your case, kind of teach you about the technology that may be implicated by your case, let you know how we use it, and not only in getting the evidence, but also how we exhibit it in court, how we then show it to jurors, how we tell your story utilizing technology. So give us a call. Again, if you're comfortable with us at the conclusion of that meeting, we're comfortable with your matter, then we will really come up with a good plan, a good path as to how to get you through your most difficult situation.